Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create a simple steel structure by using weldments. So let's start. As you can see, there is no weldments tab on my SolidWorks. So right click on tab menu and then select weldments. Now click on weldments tab and then select 3D sketch and draw a rectangle. Now press escape button and draw a line. We need to draw a line in YZ axis. So press tab button from your keyboard to change the axis direction. So draw this line. Now press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these lines and make relation perpendicular. Similarly, for both of these lines, make relation perpendicular. Now again draw a rectangle. Now close this sketch by drawing more 3 lines. But before going ahead toward these corners, we need to make relations for this line. Make relation perpendicular. Similarly for this corner, perpendicular. Now for this corner, perpendicular, and for this corner, perpendicular. Now again draw a line and close this sketch. Now you can see a box like geometry has been created. Now define it by smart dimensions. 1 meter and 500 millimeter. Now save and exit from sketch. In the weldments tab, click on structural member. Select standard from here, ISO or ANSI inch. We need to click on ANSI inch. Here is the type, angle iron, C channel, pipe or anything. So we are selecting square to tube. Here is the size. Select what you want. Now click on this box and select these lines one by one. Now zoom in. Scroll down. Here is the type for joint or corner treatment. You can select any of the corner that you want. Here is the distance between both joints. Let's write 10 millimeters and see the gap between both of these pipes is now 10 millimeters. If you want to merge these corners, just check into this box, merge meter trimmed bodies. This is the degree for the pipe. If we write 45 degree, here you can see the pipe is rotated to 45 degrees, but we need only 0 degree. So now click here new group and select the lines for base. Same settings. So now press again new group and select these lines. Now geometry is OK, so press OK button. Now click on this 3D sketch and then hide it. Now you can see how easily this steel structure has been created with the help of weldments. Thanks for watching and sparing time for my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and share